All right, awesome.
Saying you're here twice, Ariel. Your
Wait,
computer
what?
issue. It says you're here twice.
Oh, that's weird. I don't know why it's doing that. Probably because I...
Oh.
I don't know why I did it. Is it gone now?
Yeah, it's gone.
Okay.
All right, awesome. So, okay, let's see. What am I supposed to do?
We do it for the thing. Okie dokie. Okay, well, did anyone have any questions?
No.
Nope, I didn't.
I don't think I did. There was one that I kind of had a hard time with. I think it was number 7, part D. Or no, not D, sorry, E.
What is the probability that a random selected particle has speed that is between 1500 and 25?
I was just having a hard time like going between the two 1500 and 2500 meters per second. I don't know. I couldn't really get it.
So with that one, don't you take the mean, the 1800, I mean, sorry, 1800, and then you do, oh, I'm trying to think of how to explain this.
Do you get like two separate z values or
You do.
number?
You get two separate ones, and then you subtract them from each other.
Oh, okay, and then okay, that makes sense.
It kind of shows it a little bit better on the answer key.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay, I see. All right, yeah, that makes sense. Did anybody else have any questions, or should we move on to the quiz?
I am ready to move on to the quiz.
Me too.
Me too.
All right, let's do it.
Yes, I want to start now.
So number 3, the total area under a density curve must equal 1, right?
1.
Yes.
Yep. Probability has to equal 1.
Mm-hmm.
Under certain circumstances, the density curve can drop below the x-axis. False.
Yep.
Right?
Nope, it can't. False.
The normal density curve is symmetric. True, right?
True.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. 6. Which of the following elements of the figure represents the z-zone in this image?
Isn't that C?
Yes.
Okay. Which of the following elements of the figure represents the probability that the random variable z will be greater than 1.000?
B.
B, right?
Yeah.
Because everything on the right is greater than, and on the left is less than.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
And then, according to the 68, 95, 99.7% rule, what portion of the data from the bell-shaped distribution will be within 1 standard deviation of the mean.
68.
68.
So A?
Wait, what?
Oh, sorry.
Is
Oh, A.
Yeah, it's just 68%. Okay. So number 9, suppose random variable z as a standard normal distribution. Use the normal applet to answer the question. What proportion of the values from a random variable will be between -1 and 1? Give your answer as a decimal accurate to 3 decimal places.
So it's asking for the area, right?
Yeah.
Is that the 0.8413?
I got.
Yeah, 0.8413 is what I got.
no,
That's not what I got.
it's 0.683 because it's between -1
Yeah.
and 1. So you won't
Yeah.
do the greater than 1 or the less than.
Okay.
3.
Oh, my computer almost fell. Okay.
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 So for number 10,
Sorry.
suppose a random variable z has a standard normal distribution. Use the applet to answer this question. What proportion of the values from this random variable will be between -2 and 2?
So I got 0.955.
I did as well.
Yeah.
Are you guys ready for number 11?
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Suppose the random variable z has a standard normal distribution. Use the normal applet to answer this question. What proportion of the values from this random variable will be between -3 and 3?
So,
Almost 100%.
At 0.997.
yeah,
Yep, I got that as well.
that's what I got.
And if you guys don't notice, but this pretty much follows the 68, 95, 99.7 rule. If you switch these
Yeah,
decimals
it
around.
Mhm.
So number 12 says, look carefully at your answers. The last 3 questions, what do you observe?
I just answered that one without knowing I did. I like this one. The probability doubles as you move from 1 to 2.
Sorry, what were you doing for 12? I apologize.
12 is the values match the 68, 95,
Oh,
99
yeah.
rule.
Yeah, they follow that rule.
Yeah.
Sorry, as soon as I looked at it, I realized it was going.
So I guess we're on 13 now. The amount of protein that an individual must consume is different from every person. There is a solid theoretical ideas that suggest that the protein requirement will be normally distributed in the population of the United States. The protein requirement is given in terms of the number of grams of good quality protein that must be consumed each day per kilogram of body of weight. The population protein requirement for adults is 0.66 grams per kilogram. And the population standard deviation is 0.07 grams per kilogram. Use this information to answer questions 14 through 17. So, what portion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than 0.6 grams per kilogram?
So that's you're finding the z-score, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. 6 minus.
Okay.
So
I got negative 0.857.
Yeah, I got that as well.
yeah, I got negative 0.856.
856?
857, sorry.
Okay. It's like, oh.
Okay. So I guess we'll go on to 14 then.
Wait, isn't that not the final answer though? Because you're still supposed to find the proportion of people. That's just the Z.
Yeah, proportion, right?
That's just the Z part, and so then you have to plug it into the normal probability applet.
Yeah.
Is correct.
And then that would be 0.196.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. What portion of the population have a protein requirement that is more than 0.60? So wouldn't we just take 1 and subtract? No.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, we would, because it would add up to 1. So then you just subtract.
It's the same as the last one.
Yeah, so you subtract 0.196.
Yep, 1 minus 0.196.
No, it's actually exactly the same.
No, because it's what that is more than that.
Yeah.
So it would be 0.804.
Do you get why it's that?
Yeah. I was thinking greater than 1, not greater than the negative.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah. I was thinking greater than the positive 857, and I'm like, that would be the exact same answer, but now it's.
Okay, and then is everyone good so far?
Yeah, I think so.
Yes.
What portion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than 0.7?
I got 0.516.
Wait, what did you get?
0.516.
I didn't get that. What was your Z zone? Or your, what's it called?
The z-score.
Yeah, your Z score.
My z-score I got 0.04.
Okay, what did I got 0.571 for my z-score.
That's what
I just thought I did something wrong on my calculator. That's probably why.
So the proportion that I got was 0.716.
Yeah, that's what I got. Sorry, I find it easier to do the applet on a different computer, so that's why I keep on switching back and forth. Okay, so 0.7. Oh, sorry. 6. Okay. Ooh.
So 16.
Yep.
Somebody want to read that one?
I can do that.
Okay.
Find the probability that a randomly selected person will have a protein requirement that is between 0.6 and 0.7 grams.
So
Remember
this one. Oh, sorry.
You're good.
So this one's kind of like the one that Justin said he was having a problem with. You just take the one that said 0.196 and you subtract it from 0.716. I believe.
Yeah. Yep. That's what you do.
I have 0.52.
That's what I got.
So
What's
we
the
put 0.520 because it wants the 3 decimal
Yeah,
places.
3 decimal places.
And it's negative, right? Or is it positive?
No, it's a probability, so it can't be negative.
Sorry, maybe I explained that wrong. So you're going to do 0.716 minus 0.196.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Sorry, the way I said it was probably super confusing.
Oh, no, you're good.
All right. Find the 35th percentile for the protein requirement for adults.
I got 0.633.
That's what I got.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how many decimal points they want, so I'm just putting 3.
It says give your answer as decimal accurate to 3 decimal places.
I was going to say,
that was the one
if
before.
it doesn't specify, it's always 3.
Okay. All right, so then find the 80th percentile.
For that one, I got 0.719.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay.
Wait, how did you get that one?
You
You
would
just
do.
put for area on the applet, I put 0.8, and then I highlighted
Oh, and then you just highlighted the.
one on the left in the middle.
Yeah, the center and the left.
Okay. Mine's not doing that.
Okay, so if you want certain areas to be highlighted, make sure they're highlighted before you enter the area in the template.
So what is
So
it?
if you want just the center, make sure just the center is highlighted, because if you wanted the center and the left or the center and the right or something like that, it's going to change your area when you highlight a different area. Like I have, you know, it at 0.8, and then I unhighlight the side, and now it's at 0.6. So you want to make sure you have all the areas you need highlighted before you enter the 0.8.
Okay, and then what did you get for that?
I got 0.719.
Okay. Alright, cool. Alright.
Okay, so does anyone have any questions about any of that?
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
I mean, it's pretty straightforward.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're ready to hand it in?
Yep. Yay.
Woohoo!
100%.
That's where it's at.
Hooray.
Nice. Good work, guys.
Alright. Good job.
Perfect.
Alrighty.
Okay, I guess until next week.
Alright. Talk to y'all next week.
Sounds
All right.
good.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.